Okay, class 6 students, today I'll take your math exercise 1.2 because last time we have finished 1.1. Okay, let's go for the first question. A book exhibition was held for 4 days in a school. The number of tickets sold at the counter on the first, second, third, and final day was respectively 1,094, 1,812, 2,050, and 2,751. Find the total number of tickets sold on all the 4 days. Okay? Okay. And solution. Number of tickets on first day, as we know, it is 1,094. On second day, it is 1,812. On third, 2,050. And on fourth, 2,751. And the question was what? हमें क्या ढूंढना था? What are we supposed to find? Find the total number of tickets sold on all the 4 days. तो क्वेश्चन ये है कि हमें पूरे 4 दिन का या पूरा दिन का टिकट्स कितना बिका है वो देखना है. So the answer is hence the number of tickets sold on all 4 days equal to first day, second day and third day ticket overall प्लस करके आंसर मिला है 7,707. Okay? Okay. Okay. And the second question is, Shekhar is a famous cricket player. He has so far scored 6,980 runs in test matches. He wished to complete 10,000 runs. How many more runs does he need? So the question यहाँ पे ये पूछ रहा है कि शेखर एक बहुत फेमस प्लेयर है और उसने अब तक 6,980 रन स्कोर किए हैं टेस्ट मैच में और वो करना चाह रहा था 10,000 रन्स. तो उसको और कितना रन चाहिए क्योंकि अब तक वो 6,980 रन्स स्कोर कर चुके हैं. So the solution is Shekhar scored 6,980 runs. He wanted to complete 10,000 runs. Runs need to score more, यानी कि उसको और कितना स्कोर करना था, उसमें हमें कंप्लीट कितना करना चाह रहा था वो, उसमें से उसने कितना कंप्लीट किया अब तक वो माइनस करना है और हमें आंसर मिला 3,020. Hence he needs 3,020 more runs to score. Okay? And the next question is, in an election, the successful candidate registered, इसमें दिखाई पड़ रहा है 5,77,500 votes and his nearest rival scored 3,48,700 votes. By what margin did the successful candidate win the election? तो दो लोग हैं यहाँ पे जो वोट पे खड़े हुए हैं. एक को मिला 5,77,500 votes और दूसरे को मिला 3,48,700 votes. तो उसको कितने में वो जीता? So the number of votes secured by the successful candidate 5 lakhs, of course, 5,77,500, and number of votes scored by his rival 3,48,700. So the margin by which he won the election will be successful candidate का score और जो rival है उसका votes माइनस करके 2,28,800 votes. Therefore, successful candidates won the election by 2,28,800 28,800 votes. Okay. And the next question is, Kirti bookstore sold books worth rupees 2,85,891 in the first week of June, and books worth rupees 4,07,768 in the second week of the month. How much was the sale for the 2 weeks together? जो क्वेश्चन है, हमें 2 हफ्ते का पूरा सेल कितना हुआ निकालना है. And the next question is, in which week was the sale greater and by how much? तो यहाँ पे ये पूछ रहा है कि कौन सी हफ्ते में ज़्यादा बिका है और कितने में. सो पहला क्वेश्चन क्या था, हाउ मच वॉज द सेल फॉर द 2 weeks टुगेदर. 2 हफ्ते का मिला करके कितना हुआ. प्राइस ऑफ द बुक सोल्ड इन जून फर्स्ट वीक रुपीज़, as we know it's 2,85,891, and in June second week 4,07,768. So the number of books sold in both weeks together will be number of books sold in both weeks together equal to first week June का plus second week June का, and equal to, it is rupees 6,86,659. Okay, and the sale of books highest is highest in the second week. वो कैसे? As we know, the difference यहाँ पे नंबर पे ही दिखाई पड़ता है, because in second weeks it is 4,07,768. Okay, the last question is, in which week was the sale greater and by how much? तो कितने में वो ज़्यादा हुआ. So difference in the sale in both week equal to second week minus first week का सेल माइनस करके हमें मिला 1,14,877. Therefore, sales in second week was greater by 1,14,877 than in the first week. Okay. The next question is, find the difference between the greatest and the least 5-digit number that can be written using digits 62743, each only once. So we can write digits given are such and such. Greatest 5-digit number could be 76432, and least 5-digit could be 23467. Difference between the two number, as we know, the difference में कैसे करना है, माइनस करना है. ग्रेटेस्ट में से स्मॉलेस्ट या लीस्ट नंबर का माइनस करके हमें आंसर मिला 52,965. Therefore, the difference between the two number is 52,964. Okay, next question. Question number 6. A machine on an average manufactures 2,825 screws a day. यानी कि एक मशीन एवरेज में वो बना सकते हैं कितना, 2,825 स्क्रूज बनाते हैं. वो स्क्रू बनाने वाला मशीन एक दिन में. हाउ मेनी स्क्रूज डिड इट प्रोड्यूस इन मंथ ऑफ जनवरी 2006. तो यहाँ पे ये पूछ रहे हैं कि वो कितना बनाया वो उस मशीन ने जनवरी की और 2006 की जनवरी को. सो द सॉल्यूशन Number of screws manufactured in a day equal to 2825. Since January month has 31 days, क्योंकि हमें पता है कि जनवरी महीने में 31 डेज होता है, तो इसीलिए hence number of screws manufactured in January equal to 31 into 2825 equal to 87,575 screws. Hence machine produce कितना 87,575 screws in the month of January 2006. Okay. Next question. A merchant had rupees 78,592 with her. She placed an order for purchasing 40 radio sets at rupees 1,200 each. How much money will remain with her after purchase? तो क्वेश्चन है, एक मर्चेंट उसने रेडियो ऑर्डर किया 40 रेडियो सेट, कितने में? हर एक का 1200 रुपये में. How much money will remain with her after the purchase? उसके पास पैसा कितना बचेगा अगर उसने 40 रेडियो सेट ऑर्डर किए हैं, क्योंकि उसके पास थी 78,592. Solution: total money the merchant had 78,592. Number of radio sets she placed an order for purchasing equal to 40 radio sets. Cost of each radio set equal to 1,200. So the cost of 40 radio set equal to 1,200 into 40 equal to 48,000. And how much money will remain with her after the purchase? Money left with her with the merchant equal to 78,592 minus 48,000, जो हमें 40 और हर एक रेडियो का दाम उसको मल्टीप्लाई करके मिला 48,000. So the minus and equal to, the answer is 30,592. Hence the money left with the merchant after purchasing radio set is rupees 30,592. Okay, the next question is, a student multiplied 7,236 by 65 instead of multiplying by 56. By how much was his answer greater than the correct answer? तो यहाँ पे एक ये है कि एक स्टूडेंट को 7,236 को 56 से मल्टीप्लाई करना था, मगर उसने मल्टीप्लाई किया 65 से. तो उसका आंसर कितना ज़्यादा होगा जो करेक्ट आंसर आना था. So the difference between 56 and 65, there is 9. The difference between the correct and incorrect answer equal to 7,236 into 9, यानी कि 65,124. Hence by 65,124 the answer was greater than the correct answer. Okay, we'll go to the next question. Question number 9. To stitch a shirt 2 meter 15 centimeter cloth is needed out of 40 meter cloth. How many shirts can be stitched and how much cloth will remain? So the solution will be, the given total length of the cloth equal to 40 meter. So 40 into 100 centimeter equal to 4,000 centimeter. Clothes required to stitch one shirt equal to 2 meter 15 centimeter. Therefore 2 into 100 plus 15 centimeter equal to 215 centimeter. Okay, now number of shirts that can be stitched out of 4,000 centimeter equal to 4000 divided by 215 equal to 18 thirds. Hence 18 thirds can be stitched out of 40 meter and 1 meter 30 centimeter of cloth is left out. Okay,